Hello learners, today we will start grammar chapter number 12 future tense, simple future tense, future continuous tense, future perfect and future perfect continuous tense. The future tense is used to express an action that is likely to take place in future. We know that will, shall and going to are used to express action in future tense. Simple future tense, will and shall is used with verbs in the simple future tense to express an action which will take place in future, like people will support the fight against corruption. To express planned or intended action in future, I will pick up my friend in the afternoon. To refer to a general statement about the future, the Sensex will crumble down as the oil prices are rising. Okay, for this situation we have to use will. And going to for suggesting an intention or decision that was made earlier to do something in the near future, like the teacher is going to distribute chocolate on the occasion of Children's Day. Sohan is going to shift to Agra next week. Okay, going to for suggesting an intention or decision that was made earlier, we have to use going to. We also use going to form a predict a future action when there is a clear indication that it will happen. The baby is going to catch a cold because it is not wearing a cap. Will is used to do something at the time of speaking. Okay, to express something that will definitely happen, we have to use will, like scheme will be launched next month. To express the views of the speaker, like I will consult a specialist for my eye problem. I will not go for a walk as it is very humid. To offer to do something, like I will make a cup of coffee for the guest. I will pay your telephone bill. To request somebody to do something, like will you bring my bag? Or to promise to do something, I will bring a golf set for you. Okay, basic use of shall and will, generally predicting the future, making suggestions, expectation, hopes and doubts are generally expressed, often accompanied with a request please. Okay, promise, assurance denoted. Shall is not common in modern English. In modern English, we are using only will. These days, shall is mainly used to ask question or to give suggestions or to make offers. Shall I lay the table for dinner? Shall we take the children to the circus this Sunday? Shall we leave now? Okay, for suggestions, offers and to make questions. Form of simple future tense is will, shall plus root form of the verb. Okay, will plus root form of the verb. First one is the, here one example, complete first question. Reena has fractured her leg. She will take rest at home. Okay, you have to use will only. She will take rest at home. Will and going to. Reena has fractured her leg. She will take rest. It is time to close the shop. The shopkeeper will pull down. Shopkeeper will pull down the shutter. Pull down the shutter any moment. It has been cloudy since morning and it seems that it is going to rain today. Third one, it is going to. Third one, right, is going to. Is going to. Okay. The fisherman will row the boat. Future continuous tense. The future continuous tense is used to indicate an action that will be going on in future. Example, she will be joining. She will be joining a coaching center for tuitions. To refer to pre-scheduled future plan. The manager will be meeting the new client on Monday. Okay, pre-scheduled future plan. Okay, for action going on in future. And to refer to a longer ongoing future action interrupted by another shorter future action, like Sohan will be studying when you reach home. Okay, When you will go there, at that time Sohan will be studying. In this type of situation we have to future continuous tense. Okay, conditions are given. Form of future continuous tense is will be plus base form of verb plus ing. Okay, will be plus ing form of the verb. Like he will be visiting. See here, will be visiting, will be reaching. Okay, very easy. In next question, choose the correct words from the bracket and fill in the blanks with will plus verb to make meaningful sentence. Okay, like Rita will learn. What will come? Rita will learn. He is very excited about the match. He will like to go to the stadium. He will like to go to the stadium. The pen nib is broken. She will buy a new one. She will buy a new one. Mona is tired. She will sleep for an hour. Use the verb given below with going to and frame questions. The first one has been done for you. Study all night is given. Okay, then what you have to make? Are you going to study all night? Second one, swim and an hour is given. Then what you have to write? Are you going to swim for an hour? Are you going to swim for an hour? Then third one, are you going to play all evening? Okay. Fourth one, are you going to watch TV for 2 hours? Fifth one, are you going to wait here for too long? Okay, all are, you have to make questions, so use question mark also. Next one, simple present and simple future tense. Simple present tense, read these sentences given in your textbook. The IPL match begins tomorrow. The group leaves for Jaipur next week. Okay, these are simple present tense. Okay, simple present tense, these sentences, simple present tense is used to express future event. Okay, which are already planned and scheduled to take place. The simple present tense is often used for this purpose, like the sports meet begins next month. The conference start after an hour. Okay, already planned action we can use simple present tense also. Fill in the blanks with verb in the simple present tense to show the schedule of your best friend who is visiting India after 5 years. Pick words from the box. Okay, these we have to use simple present tense. Simple present tense also express future events. Okay, like Vikram reaches Mumbai. First one reaches, Vikram reaches Mumbai on Monday. He leaves for Surat the next day. Okay, he leaves for Surat the next day and visits some old friends. Okay, visits some old friends. He attends a conference in the evening before he plans his schedule further. Okay, understand? Present continuous tense also indicate future action. Like simple present tense indicates future action, present continuous tense also indicate future action. Like Dinesh is joining office next month. Okay, it is indicating future action. He is reaching Dubai next week. Sometime time is given next month, next week, so it is indicating future action. So for future action we can write in present continuous tense also. Sometimes we use the present continuous tense to express an action which will happen in future, and the speaker know that an arrangement has already been made and it is planned. When we use going to, there is an intention to do an action, but there is no arrangement or plan. Okay, going to, when there is no arrangement or plan, like she is going to join us soon. Okay, only intention, not arrangement. And here she is going to join us soon. Okay, not planned. Okay, and for proper plan, she is joining us soon. Proper already planned, then present continuous tense, and going to only intention but not planned. Okay, the next question is, read the following passage and fill in the blanks with the appropriate form of verb given in the brackets in the simple future or future continuous tense. Simple future, will plus base form of the verb, and future continuous tense, will be and ing form of the verb. Okay, first one, First one, students are taught to solve most numerical on the basis of various formula. There will be many shortcut methods. There B form in future will, there will be many shortcut methods being used by others for a variety of calculation, but none of them will be helping. Second one, will be helping them in an examination situations unless he does regular practice of using such methods. Only that will enable him. Will enable, here first write will and base form of the verb, here will be helping. Okay, will be and helping. Okay, assist is there, so such methods will assist them only if they are sure about its application, while they will be solving, here will be solving numericals in any upcoming examination, they could not get confused or make errors. Okay, next one, imagine that the ex-president of India is scheduled to visit your school next week. The detailed plan of his visit is given below. Fill in the blanks with verb in bracket in the future continuous tense. You have to use future continuous tense form. Future continuous tense will be plus ing form of the verb. Okay, in all blanks you have to write will be plus ing form of verb. First one, visit is given, so will be visiting. Second, meet is given, so will be meeting. Second, will be and meeting. Same way, third one, will be interacting. Next one, will be encouraging. Okay, will be requesting, and last one will be listening. Very easy, complete it yourself. Okay, next one is the future form of future perfect tense. Future perfect tense will have plus past participle form of verb. Okay, will have plus past participle form of verb. Future perfect tense is used to indicate an action which will be completed before a certain time in future. Okay, certain time already mentioned, before that time that action is completed. Okay, then we have to use future perfect tense, like I shall have left before you return from office. Okay, we are talking about future, but we are giving the time also. Before that time our work is completed, then we have to use future perfect tense. Okay, form of future perfect tense, will have plus past participle form, like will have prepared. First one, here see one example, will have prepared. Okay, will have written, will have gone. Okay, and future perfect continuous tense, future perfect continuous tense refer to a long action before a particular time in future. Before a particular time in future, refer to a long action. Okay, future perfect tense completed before a certain time in future, but future perfect continuous tense not completed before a particular time in future. The choir will have been singing for an hour before the play starts. To refer to an action that will begin at a particular time in future and will continue beyond the time. Sneha will have been sleeping for 2 hours by the time the maid reaches the house. Okay, form of future perfect continuous, will have been plus ing. Okay, future perfect will have plus past participle, and future perfect continuous will have been plus ing form of the verb. First one, next question is, complete the following sentence by using verb forms in future perfect or future perfect continuous. Okay, in bracket given, first one like future perfect. The future perfect you have to use will have inaugurated. Okay, first one, the chief minister will have inaugurated. Okay, will have inaugurated. First one is will have inaugurated. Second one, you have to use future perfect continuous tense. Then future perfect continuous will have been performing. Okay, what you have to write? will have been performing. Perform is given here. You have to write future perfect continuous tense. Will have been plus performing, ing form of the verb. Okay. First one future perfect. Then will have inaugurated. Okay. Inaugurate. Only you have to write D here and will have. Okay. Will have and inaugurated. Second one will have been performing. Third one is future perfect. Then I will have finished. Okay. Fourth one future perfect continuous. Future perfect continuous will have been going. The annual sports meet will have been going on for 5 hours by the time it gets dark. Now in next question you have to identify the form of future tense of underlined verbs. Okay, like will not attend. Will plus first form of verb is given, so it is simple future tense. Second one will be plus ing form, so will be an ing form, future continuous. What will come? Future continuous. Okay, second one future continuous. Will have plus past participle form, so it is future perfect. Third one is the future perfect. Okay. Fourth one will become. Will and first form of the verb, so you have to write fourth one will plus first form, simple future. Okay. Fifth one will have plus past participle form. Will have plus past participle, then you have to use future perfect. Fifth one. Okay. And sixth one will have been playing. Future perfect continuous. Will have been plus ing form of the verb, so you have to write future perfect continuous. Sixth one future perfect and future perfect continuous. Sixth one. Okay, next question, read the following sentence and fill in the blanks with the appropriate form of verb given in brackets according to the tense form mentioned with each sentences. The Indian researchers find. The simple future tense will find. Okay, simple future tense is given, so very easy. You have to use will and first form of the verb. Then what will come? Will and verb is given here in bracket, will find. Okay. Second one, future continuous tense. Future continuous tense form is will be plus ing form of the verb. Then verb is discover, ing form discovering, so you have to write will be discovering. We will be discovering many interesting facts. Third one, the diet survey. Here you have to use simple future. Okay, in simple future form is will have plus past participle form. Then the diet survey will have indicated. Okay, the diet survey will have simple future. In simple future will indicate. Third one, the diet survey will indicate. Okay, will and indicate. Fourth one option is not given. Researchers will have surveyed around 4,500 people from all over India by the next month. Okay, already completed that work by the next month, so will have surveyed. Okay, future perfect tense. Next one, future perfect continuous. Future perfect continuous will have been plus ing form of the verb. Then various organization will have been preparing. Okay, will have been preparing. Sixth one, processed food lacks nutrients and their regular use. Future continuous will be affecting. Okay, future continuous form will be plus ing form of the verb. Then will be and affect, ing form affecting, will be affecting. The survey help, here simple future, then will help. Okay, you have to write only will and help already given, you have to use the same form, will help. Okay, for simple future we have to use the base form of the verb. Next question, do it your own. Okay, write a description using various form of the future tense. Now remember, in future tense, simple future tense, in affirmative we have to use will plus first form of the verb. For negative, after will we have to use not, and for interrogative will come first. Will she write? Okay, now continue. This is very important. Okay, practice, read it and practice according to it, this table. Okay, negative sentences in the simple future tense is formed when we write subject plus shall not or will not. After will we have to write not. Okay, negative sentences. Negative of the future continuous tense is formed when we write will not be. We have to write subject, after that will, after will we have to use not. Okay, will not, then we have to use be. In future continuous tense we are writing will be, shall be. Then in negative sentence we have to write will not be, shall not be, plus ing form of the verb. Negative of the future perfect, will not, then have. Okay, we are writing will have. Now you have to write will not have, plus past participle form of the verb. Interrogative sentences, will not you. Okay, first will come, will plus subject plus form of main verb. Okay, next question is rewrite the following sentence as required. Okay, next question is Aditya will go to the library later. Negative, first one negative, so will, after will write not. Aditya will not. Okay, second one also negative, Kanya will not make a kite soon. Kanya will not. Here after will you have to write not. Okay, third one is interrogative, so will come first. Okay, third one is the interrogative. Will the match, what you have to write, will come first. Okay, will here, will the match be played for 2 hours, and question mark you have to add. Okay, fourth one also interrogative, then will come here. Will he drive to the office? Okay, and use interrogation marks. It will be raining soon, interrogative. Will it be raining soon? Okay, will it be raining, will come here. Okay, Vikram will be reciting a poem in class, interrogative. Will Vikram be reciting a poem in class? Okay, will come first, will here, and then Vikram, cut will Vikram be reciting a poem in class, and add question mark. Next is read the following passage and fill in the blanks. Read the following passage and fill in the blanks with the appropriate form of verbs given in brackets. You may use various form of all tenses. Okay. The first one is the new dietary guidelines will be available. Okay, first one, will be available for the benefit of Indians soon. People will have started consuming more animal products, carbonated drinks, sweeteners, processed food these days. Urbanization has increased in the recent times, and it has led okay, to a rise in obesity, mainly among children. In the older age group, diabetes, hypertension and heart disease will rise further in future. Nutritionists are saying that if people follow proper diet schedule, the problems will be taken care of. Doctors recommended a reduction in intake of carbohydrate and oily food for all across all age group. The guidelines will help prevent a rise in such health related problems. Okay, now complete your book. Thank you.